Welcome to the KitKat Mega Complex, a place where the sun truly never sets. Every day, millions of chocolate bars begin their journey right here.
The journey of a KitKat begins with the careful selection and precise measurement of premium ingredients, flowing now towards the mixers. To achieve that signature smoothness, the thick paste is passed through these massive precision steel rollers, transforming it into a silky, glossy liquor.
To achieve the perfect crispy texture, the wafers enter this climate-controlled chamber. Advanced humidity sensors maintain the ideal moisture level.
High-speed vision cameras scan the wafers, instantly identifying any cracks or defects before assembly.
The synchronized robotic arms ensure perfect alignment as the second layer is added, forming the iconic wafer sandwich.
Here we apply the second layer of warm, glossy chocolate. Our precision leveling blades ensure that every imperfection is eliminated before it moves down the line.
The four-layer structure is complete. These enormous continuous wafer blocks stretch several meters, gliding steadily along the production line toward the pressing system. The laser alignment system ensures millimeter precision. As the servo-controlled rails make micro-adjustments, razor-sharp rotary blades slice the giant wafer blocks into long, perfectly straight wafer fingers with incredible precision, while the conveyor never stops moving. This sophisticated tempering system carefully stabilizes the cocoa butter crystals. Thousands of bars travel through this sophisticated cooling system, precisely synchronized for optimal crystallization.
After cooling, the bars reveal the signature layered wafer. It is this precision that gives KitKat its famously crisp snap.
With production approved, the finished KitKat bars accelerate along the polished conveyors, guided by robotics towards the high-speed packaging department.
To protect product quality, an advanced network of AI vision cameras scans every bar from all sides, analyzing the data in real time.
The robotic arm alignment needs a minor adjustment on line 4. Noted. Overall efficiency is holding steady at 98%.
The OEE metric spiked here, likely due to the adjustment we made on line 3. Yes, the efficiency is holding steady now.
Temperature stability is crucial. As you can see, the deviation here is minimal. Confirmed. The samples in chamber 3 are holding steady at 20 degrees Celsius. The lab reports confirm the moisture content is within tolerance.
Yes, and the packaging seal integrity looks good. We are clear for authorization.
We need this KitKat shipment ready by 1600.
Confirmed. The paperwork is all set for the driver.
From the heart of the factory floor, these trucks carry the freshly made chocolate across the nation. Spanning thousands of miles, the iconic red trucks bring KitKat to stores across America.
Every bite starts here.
If you love discovering how the world's greatest factories build the products you use every day, subscribe to Forgemotion Labs.